Hi, this is Tim from Rehab My Patient. I'm going to guide you on how you can export or download your exercise PDF and then upload it into your electronic medical record. So we integrate with a number of products such as Physio Diary, Clinico, PPS, Plato, PMS, and but some of the softwares we don't integrate with. Now, if you're using an electronic medical record and you want us to integrate, please in the first instance email the support at that EMR or EHR and ask them if they will integrate with us, because we are very open to it, but we find that a lot of softwares delay and they've got other priorities, but we are very open to integrating with more softwares. So if you use another software, please email them, hassle them and ask them to integrate with us. We have public APIs and we are very willing to integrate. Good, right, so let's go through. Now, first of all, we might just create an exercise plan. So let's just select our patient. Let's create an exercise plan. So let's put some exercises in here. Let's ice the shoulder. Good. Right, so here's my shoulder impingement plan. Let's add an exercise sheet. Right, let's call this shoulder impingement rehab. Press continue, put in my sets and reps. So let's repeat that for 1 minute, 5 times a day. Good, and let's do the ice 10 minutes twice a day. Right, so I've made my exercise plan. Press save, and the first thing you can do is from this screen, just select the text, right click, copy, and paste it into Notepad. Okay, now what you can do is then you can copy, press Control C, go to your electronic medical record, whatever that may be, EMIS System 1, JNAP or whatever. Okay, go to your consultation screen where you'll put your consultations in and just press paste. Okay, and then you've got the information including the description, the title, the number of times and reps, and a copy of the video is in your electronic medical record. Press save, and there it is. So that's the really quick and easy way, is just paste the text into Notepad and then paste it into your electronic medical record. You can of course also just export the PDF, so you can download PDF. Okay, that will download PDF, and there you go. Then save it to your desktop and then upload the document into your into your electronic medical record. So usually that will be, you know, go to view or attach documents, add new document, upload the PDF, and it will go into your medical record. Okay, so there's other ways to do this as well. You can print the PDF and then select a PDF printer from the print option. Usually there'll be a save as PDF option, or save or print a PDF, and you can then save it to your to your desktop and then upload it into your medical record. Other ways you can do it, so from the My Patients page, if you go to view My Patients, you can open up the record, go to the patient dashboard. Here's the patient dashboard, click these 3 dots and download. Okay, if you download it, it will do the same thing. It will create the PDF. You can then save it into your electronic medical record. So they're the easiest ways to do it. I hope that helps, and feel free to message us at support@rehabmypatient.com if you've got any questions. There's one final way that you can do it. You can do it through the SMS feature. So once you've created your exercise plan, click continue, put in your sets and reps as you normally would, press save, and then from this screen, so we've actually updated this screen, so you can actually now send SMS and WhatsApp, but you may not have SMS or WhatsApp credits. So if you don't, just click the SMS and then copy and paste that into your medical record, and you can see there's a link to the exercise plan. Or you can do it from WhatsApp as well. Just simply copy and paste that, press Control C, then Control P, paste it into your electronic medical record, and that's a really cool way to get a link to the exercise plan. Hope that helps. Have fun, enjoy the site, it's a brilliant site.